Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fix Dodge charger radio. Start by checking the fuse and antenna connection before testing the unit. Remove the trim gently, then test power at the radio harness with a multimeter. Look for constant 12V, accessory power, and a good ground. If power is present but still no sound, try swapping speakers or testing the amp connection. Keep tools ready and work calmly to avoid damage. Many issues come from software and settings, so start with a soft reset from the radio menu to clear glitches. If that does not help, check for firmware updates from the manufacturer and install them carefully. Review audio source settings including Bluetooth, aux, and AM/FM bands to ensure the radio is set correctly. Resetting paired devices and reconnecting can resolve many streaming and pairing problems quickly and reliably. Hardware faults are common, so test speaker outputs with a tone generator or swap in a known good speaker to isolate failures. Inspect all wiring back to the amp and head unit for breaks, corrosion, or loose pins, paying attention to connectors under the dash. Verify the amplifier receives the remote turn-on voltage and that ground connections are solid. If the amp fails, bench testing can confirm whether repair or replacement is needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.